Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. And in today's video we're looking into a new topic, that is the scalars and vectors. We are starting a new topic series that is about scalars and vectors, and in today's video we're looking into the scalars. In the next video looking into the vectors and the tensor quantities. uh, you know Basically we have got physical quantities, the quantities which can be measured. I do hope that you studied this in your ninth class or somewhere else. We have got physical, all the quantities which can be measured at terms of physical quantities, like it can be whether 10 kg or 10 second or 10 newton. Well, whatever the quantity is, if it is measurable, it is a physical quantity. Furthermore, we have got two types for it. The first is the scalars over here. The first is scalars, and the second one we have got is the vectors. This one vectors. We've got these vectors. So these both are kind of differentiated, and we're looking into the differences between them. Today we're looking into what is scalars, what are scalar quantities, scalar quantities. Yes. So scalar quantities are kind of they are first of all they are physical quantities. They are type of physical quantities. They are physical quantities. Physical quantities. Right. And what sort of physical quantities are these? Uh, Let us make something special in them. Uh, they have they The physical quantities are the quantities or the physical quantities which are they are specified on basis of magnitude. Yes. Magnitudes means some sort of amount. uh, we have got quantities. uh, we have got quantities like whether whatever the quantity is. There is we have got another point over here. uh, no direction. Okay, so it comes with no direction. We have got another point, no direction. And this is what physical quantities like. These are physical quantities. I've told you before, they are specified on the basis of magnitude. The amount, like 10 kg. So here we have got 10 is a magnitude, and it has got no direction. Like 10 kg would be 10 kg in the east, 10 kg would be 10 kg in the west, north and south. So there is no any impact of direction. If you talk about any other, there are quantities which do have a impact of direction on them. For suppose we have a torque, so torque has a direction impact, and the mass is not having. If you talk about time, so time would be 10 seconds in the east, west, north and south. That would be same. So that is means that is a physical quantity of scalars. uh, I do hope that you got clear about it. And if we talk about magnitude, uh, we need to clear it by examples. Like let me specify the magnitude uh, over here. Magnitude. So this magnitude, for suppose I do write here. I need to write here uh, numerical unit, right? In mid reading of this, I've got 100 kg. Here I've got 35 meter, 35, 36 meter, and here we have got 20 second. So in this, the terms I've mentioned, 100. Okay, so magnitude is something like this. It tells about the amount. So 100, 100 is the amount. Like it is a numerical, and what sort of numerical it is? It is kind of value, but we need to specify whether it is 100 kg, 100 grams, what. So that is the unit over here. The kg is the unit. So this is how the magnitude forms, and here is no impact of any direction. So I've not mentioned that 100 kg in the east, something like that. Here 36 is the numerical of the magnitude. Here 20 in this case. So I do hope that you got clear that how we are making magnitudes of quantities, scalar quantities. Here it is. Here it is as well. This one, meter. Here in the meter, here the second. This is how magnitude forms, and scalar quantities are those quantities which are, you need to remember this point very clearly, that they have no impact of direction. And there we have got a point that when we are comparing two quantities to scalar quantities, their magnitude should be similar, right? If we are comparing 100 kg with 2 gram, we are not supposed to compare them. We need to write like this: 100 kg 2 gram, so 0.002 gram. So that would be like 100 kg comparable with 0.002 kilogram. That the values are same, but the dimension should be similar in order to compare. That is the condition. And we have got a lot of scalar quantities like mass, time, length, temperature, distance, heat, volume, speed. In the case of velocity, there is a direction impact, so that is not a scalar. And the same is with the distance, right. The energy is also a scalar quantity, and the densities as well. So I do hope that you got cleared what scalar quantities are. With you guys for the next video looking into the scalars. Till that, goodbye.